Right then guys, if you're like me and you love Christmas picky bits, you're gonna absolutely love this one. This one's a nice little alternative to pigs in blankets. It's halloumi in blankets, so salty cheese, salty bacon, with a nice sweet chilli dip to kind of go through it. So let's get started. So we've got 2 blocks of halloumi. I'm going to start off by cutting this into batons. So you can cut it in half lengthways, and it usually just falls apart. And then we're going to cut it into batons around this size. So we've got our batons of halloumi. We're just going to take a rasher of streaky bacon and just wrap it around like that. And you just want to repeat that until they're all wrapped up. So that's all the halloumi wrapped up, and it's going to look something like this. And it's totally up to you guys how you want to cook these. I'm going to do mine in the air fryer, probably about 10 minutes at 180, or you could just as very easily put them in the oven and oven bake them as well. So let's get them in and then we'll start on the dip. So while the halloumi and bacon's cooking, and when we think of halloumi and bacon, it's quite salty, so we need something kind of sweet and sour and acidic to kind of balance that out. So we're gonna make a little sauce just to brush on. So I've got some honey, just tip that into a bowl. Some chilli flakes, just a little pinch in there, as much or as little as you want. And also squeeze lemon juice. And just give that a little mix. And all we'll do is brush that onto the bacon and the halloumi. And you want it to look something like that. So our dressing's done. It's time to get the halloumi out. When they come out of the air fryer or the oven, they're going to look something like this. And now it's all about just brushing them on with this sweet chili sauce. Just gives them a nice little shine, and just cuts through all that saltiness. And there you go, nice little alternative to your traditional pigs in blankets, halloumi in blankets. Enjoy.